Nowadays, everyone understands the importance of immunity. In this video, I'll explain to you how anyone can improve his or her immune system by bringing balance and harmony in their lifestyle. Do not smoke. Eat a diet that is high in fiber and vegetables. Exercise regularly. Keep a healthy weight. If you drink alcohol, drink only moderate. Get enough sleep. Avoid infections such as washing your hands frequently and cooking the meal well. Try to avoid stress. Ayurvedic remedies to improve immunity. Start the day with Tulsi, Pippali and ginger tea to strengthen and clear the upper respiratory tract. Use turmeric and black pepper in meal daily to boost immunity and reduce almond toxins. Turmeric can be taken as a drink with almond milk. Take 50 ml of amla juice per day. Drink lot of lukewarm water. Stay well hydrated. Will keep the throat and mucous membranes moist. Support its action as a well barrier against germs. You can improve your immune system by using them as a part of your food habits. Turmeric, ginger, andrographis, gulunchi or giloy, citrus fruits like grapefruit, orange, tangerines, lemon, lime, broccoli, garlic, spinach, sunflower seed, green tea, papaya, kiwi, etc. I have prepared this video to the point and crisp. If you want to know more about it, you can visit to my blog Ayurveda, Yoga, Health, Fitness and Wellness. For more details, you can read my blog in any language. Hoping in this current situation, this information will add some value to your life.